Okay, I got my car jacked up here. I think I've got a bad wheel bearing, but I got my tire off the ground here, so I'm gonna put my hand at the 9 o'clock position and 3 o'clock position here and shake my tire to see how loose or if my tire is loose. So I have to set this camera down to do it. Put my glove on. Alright. It's loose right here. Here's the 9 o'clock position, here's the 3 o'clock position. And the tire is very loose. My wheel bearing's bad. Okay, this is a little loose too, but it's real bad right here. So I need another wheel bearing.